Hello everyone, it's Ben here again, and in today's video I'm going to give you some tips on how to use the words much, many, and a lot of. Okay, so these words are all used to talk about a large quantity of something. Let's start with much. So much is used with uncountable nouns. These are words like money, or time, or milk, sugar, coffee, and so on. These words aren't used in the plural, only in the singular. So not monies, but just money. Okay, so much, we can use much in questions. How much time do we have? How much money does he make? And so on. We can also use much in negative sentences. I don't have much time. He doesn't make much money. All right, so let's move on to many. Now, many is used with countable nouns. These are words that can be used in the plural. So use many with plural countable nouns, such as apples, or books, or friends, or siblings, or cats. And again, we should use many in questions. How many cats does she have? Or how many friends does he have? Or we can use it in negative sentences as well. I don't read many books. Or I don't have many cats, just 5. So the main thing to remember with much and many is to use them in questions and negative sentences, use much with uncountable nouns, and use many with countable plural nouns. And what about a lot of? Now, if you use an affirmative sentence or a positive sentence, then you should probably use a lot of. And you can use this phrase with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, I read a lot of books. I have a lot of time, and so on. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful. See you next time.